Welcome. If you want to control who can see your content on Facebook and make sure it's only visible to adults, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to enable the 18 and over age restriction using the latest Facebook web update on your PC. First, open your preferred browser and go to the Facebook website. Make sure you're logged into your account because you'll need access to your profile settings to continue. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand another set of options. Go ahead and click on Settings to access your account's detailed configuration panel. Now, in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Followers and Public Content. This is where Facebook allows you to manage who can follow you and how your public posts are controlled. Click on it to proceed. Scroll down until you find the Age Restrictions option. This is the feature that lets you limit your audience based on age. Click on it, and you'll see different choices available. Select people 18 and over. This setting ensures that only users who are at least 18 years old can view your content where this restriction applies. After selecting the correct option, make sure you click on Save to apply the changes. Without saving, your settings won't be updated. And that's it. You've successfully set your Facebook content to be visible only to users aged 18 and above. This is especially useful if you're sharing content that's intended for a mature audience or want more control over who interacts with your posts. Give it a try, and you'll have more peace of mind about your audience in just a few clicks.